Hello, this is Morteza Kordi, and in this tutorial, we are going to actually work on this clear button. So let's go inside our calculator class, and before the ending curly brace of this calculator class, we are going to create a method. So private void, and the name of the method is going to be clear tapped. So I'm going to put a pair of parentheses here, and I'm going to open and close this method by using these curly braces. So here, first of all, we are going to set that the string number at left assignment operator, an empty string value, a string number at right assignment operator, two quotes, empty string value, and we are going to assign a number 0 to the calculations result variable, and then semicolon. So, for the current number, we are going to also assign an empty string value, and for the current operator, we are going to assign the value null to this variable. For the txt results text view, we are going to set the value number 0 as the initial value. And for the calculations variable, for the calculations string variable, we are going to assign an empty string value. And for the txt calculations text view, we are going to assign an empty string value, or for example, as we can just put number 0 here. That's it. So now we can actually call this method from the btn clear case statement inside our switch statement. So let's scroll to the top, and here we have number. So let's scroll down here. We have this btn clear case, btn clear. So we can say clear tapped. That's it. Let's run the app. Let me show you the emulator. So for example, number 5 multiplied by 2 equal to number 10 plus 6 equal to 16. So now I want to, for example, clear everything. Now everything is cleared. And here we can say, for example, number 5 multiplied by 2 equal to number 10, right? So now you can see that the clear button is actually executed. But here when I clicked on the txt clear, you can see that inside this txt calculations, there is no actually number 0 here, right? And that's because of this onClick method here. Because let's take a look at this onClick method here. At the end of this onClick method, after this switch statement is executed, we are saying txt calculations.setText calculation string. So before we actually assign a number 0 as the value of this text view here, we are actually emptying the value of the calculation string. So let me show you the clear method. You can see that we assigned an empty string value to this variable. So that's why you can see this number 0 here. So let me actually delete this number 0 here as the value of the set text, and let's just assign an empty string value as the value of this text view here. And if you want to, you can just delete this line of code, because we just set the value of the calculation string as the value of the txt calculations inside the onClick method, regardless of the switch statement. So we can just delete this line of code, and if we want to put number 0 as the value of the txt calculations, we can just assign the value number 0 inside the two quotes to this variable calculation string. So let me show you the app. Let's run the app. And now, for example, you can see number 0 here. So 5 multiplied by 3 equal and plus 2 equal. So let's click on clear. Now you can see this clear button here. So again, 8 multiplied by 2 equal 16 plus 4 equal 20 divided by 2 equal 10 minus 5 equal 5 multiplied by 4 equal 20. So you can see that our calculator application works perfectly. So that's it. That's enough for this application. And I think this was the last application that I actually uploaded to this course, because we cannot add more than 550 lectures to the course, and we already reached to that limitation. So if you have any questions about actually creating Android applications, about anything in Android regarding creating Android applications or Java, please post the discussion in the course, and then I will do my best to answer all of your questions. Thank you very much for watching again, and hope to see you again. Bye.